what is grain-free? When I say grain-free, what do we mean?
We mean not having rice, not having roti, not having wheat, and not having rice.
That's the main thing,
Yeah, those
right?
are the two main things that we use. Yeah.
Will that include millet?
I guess you could. It is a cereal.
But commonly, when you say grain-free, it's rice and roti is the main thing.
Yeah. Again, with millets, the thing is that it needs to be unpolished. You need to know. And I'm not too sure how, since we've not been using, I know we had the year of the millet, and millet is being, promoted a lot.
Correct.
But I think it's because we are not used to eating it. People do have digestibility issues with it. They don't know how to include it in their diet. So all of those things are there, and they may not like the taste of it. So,
but the idea is that grain-free is something revolutionary for me.
Okay.
Because I've never even thought about an Indian lunch
without
a rice.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
People go for brown rice. People go for quinoa.
Yeah.
But grain-free is something that I was exposed to. I was like, this is not a bad option at all, because that for complex carbs, you, as you said, sweet potatoes or any other thing is there. So it doesn't have to have rice as the main source.
Not really.
Not really. So tell me, how is your lunch for your kid look like?
My lunch for my kid looks like a lot of vegetables.
Examples?
He has peas, corn, carrot, broccoli.
All these are separate dishes?
Yes.
Are you serious?
No, but I cook them. So again, with meal prep also, it's a plan. So I plan whatever I need to make either the previous day, and I do meal prep. As in, I have it all planned and I quickly cut it and keep it so that I know what I have to give him.
Just for the audience, she is a very busy internal medicine doctor. Family physician. And she is meal prepping.
Yeah. So
despite your busy schedule.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, if you plan it, it's possible. Everything needs to be planned.
You prioritize that over?
Well, I prioritize everything one has to have because he likes me to make his food for him. So, and he's in 11th grade now, my young one. My older one actually cooks himself. Yeah, I don't cook for him. So he cooks himself.
I
would like to tell all mothers out there who have sons, please teach them how to cook. It's a life skill.
When did you start?
When did I start?
To teaching him.
To teaching them. So I used to take them for baking classes. I like to bake a lot. So I used to take them for baking classes. They would always help me out in the kitchen. I think when my older one was about 13 or something, he started making small things for himself.
And that changed a little bit of his mindset? In terms
a lot of it. And he's also very interested in nutrition. He wants to be a personal trainer. So he does strength training. And so he also reads up a lot about nutrition. So he has also changed. I mean, he actually became grain-free before my husband and I.
Okay. Can you tell us, why did you opt for grain-free to start with?
It was easier. There was no question of keeping a rice and... just having a lots of vegetables are easy if you just cut them all together and keep it. So I have a salad for lunch, is a huge portion of salad. And then I usually have either a dal with some vegetables in it, like a kotu, or maybe just a dry vegetable. So it's easier to prepare for both me and my husband. It's easier for me to do it.